And a big hi after Gunde. And the lady for whom the accolades keep pouring in. The earrings just about fit. Alia Bhatt. Okay, so we've got we'll do the photographs right at the end. Yeah.
I'm absolutely delighted. I get a lot of criticism for my books, but I'll tell you there is one book which has never been criticized, which is Two States. So it is such a book which, at least for my readers, it means a lot to them. And I was nervous before the adaptation was happening because, you know, people are like, are you giving it in good hands? And I think this is more than good hands. It looks fabulous. And I think it's a movie that is going to do really, really well. And people are going to enjoy it. And the best part of the story was in the book that it's from kids to 80-year-olds can enjoy this. And I think that's the same that's going to happen with the movie. A very good, clean, fun film after a long time. So thank you, guys. I can never repay you back. Maybe I'll write more stories for you guys, but thank you so much.
Sajid sir, a few words.
Thank you. Good afternoon. This book has been with me, as you all know, for a very long time. Really, very long time. But finally, it's been adapted beautifully by Karan and Abhishek, and I thank them a lot for finally putting it on the screen. Thank you very much.
Karan?
It's been actually wonderful collaborating with Sajid, and I think this film wouldn't have happened if Sajid wouldn't have graciously accepted me and Abhishek in his production agenda. And I think we are eternally grateful. He had the rights, and all I had was Abhishek. And this is Abhishek's. Abhishek marks the 12th debut director that we've actually put out there, and so we're very excited for him. This is his baby all the way, and I think Sajid will agree that a film is purely a director's vision, and he had such amazing fodder to adapt from. So. I mean, thank you, Chetan, for writing your life story out there and your story of your marriage. And it was wonderful to put it together with Arjun and Alia. And so, yes, I hope, I mean, all I can say at this juncture is that I hope you enjoy the experience when you see it. And Arjun is dying to say something already. Because he wants, because I have to tell you that Abhishek is the most out there person. He's dying to break through as a filmmaker, and he wants to eventually be the face of Indian cinema. So we're very excited about him. Yeah.
A big round of applause for Abhishek for his 4 words that are going to come out at a public press conference for the first time. Abhishek, the build-up's been huge. You've got to say something now. Just say thank you at least.
Dharma finally has its own Aditya Chopra, who doesn't want to be used completely unlike me.
I can't say anything really. I think just Arjun start talking. Seriously, I can't talk anymore.
We love you, Abhishek! Just the experience about they're going to ask you questions anyway. Okay. We'll come to Arjun.
Yeah, Abhishek has already said so much. What do I add to that? No, it's genuinely a dream come true for me to be able to do a film like this. When I read it, I impulsively knew as an actor I would get to do something that nobody else saw in me, and I'm grateful that Chetan wrote this, and Sajid Bhai and Karan came together and thought of taking me in this film, because I was looking for something like this, and to get this opportunity to play a character like this really excited me, and it looks really nice. I'm seeing it for the first time, genuinely. I've not seen it on the big screen. I've had a blast working on this film. I've made 2 very, very close friends, Alia and Abhishek. And I get to work with 2 of the biggest banners in one go, so what more could I ask for as an actor, as an upcoming actor? I think for me, it will always hold a very special place in my heart. I know I signed this film immediately after Ishaqzaade release, so that again holds tremendous value for me, that my first film got me a film like this. It's a very big film. The fact that it's Chetan's bestseller, like he said, he's been loved for this book, and just to be a part of this whole process, I feel very, very happy about it.
Alia?
Wow. I remember reading Two States while I was shooting for Student, and that time I didn't know that it was going to be made into a film. I remember speaking to Abhishek once where he said that, you know, this is an idea and all. And I, obviously at that time I was so young, I didn't even think that I would be able to do Two States. I didn't even think about it being a film like as such. But I remember while reading the book that you know, this girl, I think she's really cool. And I have a feeling if you see her, she's going to be really pretty.
And then we saw her.
That's what I mean was it's such a cool character. And while reading that, oh, it's true. Just keep quiet. Anyway. So when this film was being made, I didn't ever in my life think, and I think Abhi would second me on that, I didn't think it was going to come to me. And it did. And for me to do this film, initially me and Abhi didn't talk much because he thought I was really young and he thought I was not worth talking to during student. But
while making the film, they were not
while
talking.
making the film, will you let me speak or you just want to? It has been such a learning experience for me, you know, to work on this film, playing a Tamilian. I had a lot of fun speaking in Tamil and obviously working with the great Arjun Kapoor. So thank you, Karan, and thank you, Sajid Nadiadwala, and thank you, Chetan Bhagat, for making this film, writing this book, and making it a part of our lives.
I just want to say it was lying on my mom's shelf, and my nani has read it. My mom has. It's a book that's universally been read, regardless whether people read books all the time or not. And I remember it's still lying there in my mom's room on the shelf. So it feels really nice that I've been able to be a part of a book that each and every person in this country has genuinely read and enjoyed.
Right, so I think let's continue with that. We just opened the questions to everyone out there. And it's a free-for-all now.
I think Alia has a lot to be explored. This is really the tip of the iceberg. I think Highway is really the beginning of a tremendous journey that Alia will embark on as an actor. And I think truly, whether it's Two States or everything she does subsequently, will only add to her grand repertoire of work, I'm hoping. And I hope she lives up to the expectation that has already begun on a positive note.
Well, Arjun, you're looking absolutely great. The kind of persona you have got is, you know, tall and macho man. But in the trailer, we just got to see a very, you know, simple type of guy. So, kitna easy or difficult था इस character में जो है, you know, आना.
पहले आलिया हंस ले फिर मैं जवाब दे दूँ. Okay.
He just deconstructed you, Arjun. I think you have to.
I think that's the fun of being an actor. You want to believe that you can genuinely do all sorts of characters. For me, I never planned what film I would do when. Being tall, I guess I am tall. Being macho comes from the films that I've done in the essence that I've been holding guns and beating up people and getting beaten up, and that attitude has been there in those characters. For me, that's why I was so excited that they chose me to do this, despite the fact that like you said, it's a different sort of casting. It's an off casting in that sense, and I hope if you've liked this, then you will like the film also, because I was very excited to do this. It's different, and that's what actors crave. You want to play different characters. He's a soft-spoken boy, a geek, family-oriented boy that listens to his mother, doesn't understand this emotion of love that he experiences. So all those facets that I've not explored as an actor on the big screen. So for me, it was very fascinating, and I'm glad I got this opportunity.
लेकिन अर्जुन खबरें ये थी कि ये आपका किरदार आपके डायरेक्टर साहब से इंस्पायर्ड है आपके लेफ्ट में यहाँ.
ओह, हाँ जी.
खबरें ये हैं कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है आपका वो डायरेक्टर साहब से इंस्पायर्ड है आपकी.
पर अगर आप किताब लिखी गई है तो किताब it's similar to his.
But the look is like.
Yeah, so if you can see, it's this is actually Krish Malhotra. I just replicated him.
I'll give you a piece of information. On set, for some reason, every day they would look the same.
Yeah.
Arjun's clothes and Abhi's clothes would always be coordinated, either color or with.
मैं जब अपने घर से भी कपड़े पहन के आता था, हमारी कुछ similarities थी. Not even the clothes that I wore in the film. Like, she is right. So it was uncanny. I think when a director comes into a film, he has an ideology, he has a mindset, and he adds certain value to a character because he's interpreting it. He allowed me to interpret it a certain way, and he's a very proper person that way. And if we can utilize that to show that character better, then why not utilize it? So it wasn't intentional or planned. I think it happened organically from his vision more than us sitting down and saying, "यार अभिषेक तू बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है यार, मैं तेरे जैसे दिखना चाहता हूँ इस picture में." It just happened in that process of trial and error and trying out clothes. And I think Shiraz and him were very clear that they wanted a certain look And that comes from, I guess, he is that kind of a person. He is very similar to Chris in
I
terms of... the way
don't think he meant it to be such a serious inquiry. You have just done a Wikipedia answer on
But
your
I don't,
dressing in two
I don't know,
states.
sometimes I feel the people won't understand my humor.
I
get
thought if
very
I don't
scared.
butter, he will talk for 5 minutes more on his wardrobe in this film. I beg you.
I get very scared to crack jokes here. Sometimes they get misinterpreted.
I beg you.
Should I start?
Your look is looking wonderful, but we should move on to the next question.
आलिया आपसे भी सवाल था कि यही वो जगह है जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट की का भी लॉन्च था, करण थे, आप थे, बाकी लोग तो नए हैं इसके लिए आपके लिए खुद में कितना परिवर्तन देखती हैं आप फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट देन हाईवे देन नाउ टू स्टेट्स?
Obviously, I remember actually when we were here, Karan was very nervous. जब हम लोग स्टेज पे आने वाले थे और बात करने वाले थे, he came out and he was looking like he was going to, you know, whatever. He was so nervous about us being on stage, and I think today me being on stage talking is still, Karan is still nervous. But what are you? No, Karan, yeah.
That was very nice.
So that parivartan zyada hai nahi, but as an actor, of course, with each film you learn more. But I think I'm the same person.
Abhishek, here. Congratulations on the trailer. It looks fab. My question is for Abhishek. Hi, Abhishek. I believe there's no love loss between you and Ayan Mukherjee. Can you tell us something about that simmering rivalry? Is there more pressure on your film because of that?
No, nothing like that actually. I don't know where that come from, but no, nothing like that.
Is there a simmering rivalry between you and Ayan Mukherjee?
I don't know.
But he's already had 2 releases.
What about Puneet Malhotra?
Not at all. Not with any of the Dharma directors actually.
Oh. Sorry. Thank you. That is like news to us. We didn't know.
But Karan, do you know something that nobody else does?
No, first time I've heard there was a rivalry.
Yeah, there's a lot of talk about that.
Okay. We'll go.
Karan, Abhishek, there was also, you know, there were some rumors or whatever, like, you know, the buzz that Karan was very worried because you were majorly, you know, infatuated with Alia right through the shooting of the film. Is that true?
I don't know. Yeah, no, it's not actually. Not at all.
Listen, this is not fair. Abhi, don't talk. Abhi, don't answer. No, this is just, they're just pulling your leg.
Planted to just...
They're just pulling your leg.
I think they're just training you, Abhishek.
Shit, I'm sitting in between both of you. Come here.
So actually the real rumor was Alia and Abhishek.
Yeah.
We kept getting it confused with the two of you.
ये सनसनी खेज गलत थी, आइए इधर.
Hi Chetan, Faridun from Bollywood Hangama, this side.
I mean, from Student of the Year to Highway and now to States, you know, the character you're playing, it's kind of de-glam. I mean, Highway was pretty much, you know, de-glam role. What do you think of the roles, you know, while doing this? What kind of thoughts go in your mind? Because you're young and here the character you're playing is a little mature than what your age.
What are my thoughts?
Yeah, what do you think before, you know, saying yes to the role that you take?
What are your thoughts, Alia, in general?
I'm very keen to know.
How politically inclined are your thoughts?
Do you weigh the pros and cons?
No, I don't think that much. It doesn't work for me when I overthink or think. So I just go with my gut feeling, and with Two States there was no thinking. As I said, that when I read the book itself, I fell in love with the character.
Right.
So there was no like, will I be able to do it or not? I just went for the opportunity.
Because Highway, I just saw it yesterday, so I wanted to kind of ask you, because it's something very different. Two States, at least we can see that, you know, you're kind of playing a role.
No, Two States is also different from Highway and from Student. I'm playing an older girl.
Right.
I'm playing a Tamilian.
Right.
I'm the character graph and the character is very different. The story is different, so it is different, and that's my general plan.
So you want to experiment with a lot of your roles in
Would
future?
like to.
Yeah?
Yes.
I must add that
इस लुक को कितना एंजॉय किया और ज्वेलरी स्पेशली संभालने में आई मीन इजी था टफ था
मैंने अभी नहीं संभाला इसलिए
नहीं लुक आपका बहुत अच्छा है आप काफी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं इस लुक में स्पेशली साड़ी साउथ इंडियन लुक उसके बारे में पूछना
obviously costume done by Manish Malhotra, there's no thinking kuch there's no thinking.
The consensus is there is no thinking, basically.
It's all...
Basically, I didn't have to worry about anything, and neither did Abhishek, because Manish just gets this Indian fusion look so well, and the film moves from the beginning to the end. There's as Karan said, we're in Ahmedabad, we're in this thing, we're that thing. So there's each different city has a different look, because in times of the film also, it's a different period in that time. So we've really played around with the look and the jewelry and everything, but we've kept it simple and we've kept it modern, not trying too hard.
करण हमने क्रिश और अनन्या की छोटी सी झलक यहाँ पर देखी, बट एक जो मिस्ट्री बनी हुई है शुद्धि, क्या दीपिका और रणवीर फाइनलाइज हो चुके हैं?
We'll do Shuddhi next month.
Karan, yes or no?
With Karan again. We'll just take
only yes or no.
Okay, just yes or no, Karan. Then we'll take the last question. Yes or no? What was
क्या
it?
रणवीर और दीपिका फाइनलाइज हो चुके हैं?
No.
Okay. Now the last question.
Karan, this is Urvi from Glamsham.
Yeah.
We saw Deepika's South Indian look in Chennai Express, and now you are portraying the same. So do you think there was some pressure on you while doing the role?
It's not the same. She's a modern day South Indian girl. She's not speaking in that tone 24/7. Probably when she's speaking to her parents, then that little nuance does come in. But otherwise, she's a modern day South Indian girl. So you won't see me being that way.
All right, thank you guys.
करण और अर्जुन से मेरा सवाल है कि पहले बहुत मुश्किल होता था किस के सीन को दिखाना ट्रेलर में, लेकिन अभी काफी इजी हो गया. करण, आप और अर्जुन क्या टेक देना चाहेंगे? किस के सीन्स काफी हैं इसमें?
किसके मतलब मेरे आलिया
किस चुम्मा?
ये मुझे और अर्जुन से क्यों पूछ रहे हैं आप ये सवाल?
काफी लोगों से सवाल
तो भाई है यार, हम पे पिक्चर भी बन चुकी है और हर जन्म में भाई बनेंगे.
करण अर्जुन,
ये पर्टिकुलरली मुझसे क्यों पूछा गया ये सवाल? आई लाइक टू वॉच किसिंग यार, इट्स वंडरफुल. लोगों को किस करना चाहिए, सबको देखना चाहिए, एंजॉय करना चाहिए. बार बार लोग किस करे, हर एक्टर किस करे. ये तो नया जनरेशन आया है, नया इथॉस के साथ. वरना पुराने नहीं, मैं कहूँगा सीनियर जो एक्टर्स है वो किसी नहीं करते थे. अब सब जवान बच्चे किस करने लगे. वो किस के बाद किस होता है, पिक्चर की ओपनिंग लग जाती है. इट्स ऑल वंडरफुल, इट्स ऑल अबाउट किसिंग.
अर्जुन,
अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ यार.
All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll take a little photo op. No.